Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. Y'all, I did a thing. I don't know how I did it, but I want to know what y'all think. So today, for the first time ever, I did a cut crease. And I don't know how I did. Y'all, I know I did horrible at putting these eyelashes on. This is the first time I put eyelashes on that were not magnetic. They were the glue. I'm dreadful at applying that stuff. But I'm going to give you a closer up view of my eyes so you can tell me how I did on my first ever cut crease. Alright y'all, it's time to comment below. It's time to like the video. Let me know what you think. Have a wonderful day and God bless.